Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be witnessing the new Fortnite live event that just happened right now. That will take us into the new Fortnite Times Simpsons mini season. If you enjoy videos like these, make sure to drop a like and subscribe anyways. Let's go see what the treehouse looked like before the event. Here is stage 2. Well, that grew quickly. Here is stage 3. Now let's move on to the actual event. Here we go.
Okay, Jones. This is the place.
Oh, great. What do those two want?
The instability's getting worse. And that treehouse is not helping.
All right, time to seal the breach and trap Mr. Demon in the spirit realm.
Your upgrades to the Rift device better work.
It's never let me down.
All right, Jones. If you're gonna do something, do it now.
This will either fix everything, or make it a whole lot worse. See? Piece of cake. Well, I made it worse. So much worse. We can't let that demon take the island.
King, have you ever seen such drool-gushingly beautiful tentacles? You are overcome by love, I see. Great demon, we will help you defeat the humans. Then we will marry you and bear you 10,000 squidlets. Your feeble guns are useless against our battle domes.
Try this, you bug-eyed freak.
Offensive?
Hope, look! A 0-point shard! Get it before the demon destroys the island with its power!
Warning, the demon has flung us into an inter-reality wormhole. Recommend maximum terror.
Wait, I can redirect the wormhole to send us safely home to Springfield. Stand back. Wormhole calibration is an incredibly delicate task. Recalibrate! Recalibrate!
No! We have to go back to the island!
Springfield!
Island!
Springfield!
Island!
Springfield! Springfield!
Island!
Springfield! Springfield! Springfield!
Island?
Warning, multiple realities have merged in a cynical brand mashup.
Wow. Springfield Island.
It's incredible. Now to conquer it.
Stupid Flanders.
Stupid remote, probably out of batteries like an inconsiderate jerk.
Homer, the radio is saying if you find a glowing shard, call the police. It's alien, uncontrollable, immensely powerful, and deadly.
Something powerful and something. A lot of power, all right. Ooh, Easter egg! Okay, Homer, do the thing you never do at work. Focus. Now we're remoting.
Is that a shard? And what are you doing to my living room?
Making it better. Try the couch.
Oh, it is soft. But you know I don't like alien tech in the house.
Marge, with this remote, I can turn all of Springfield into a paradise. End the tire fire. Save local journalism. Make something wonderful for all of us.
But can you make good decisions and... Oh, go wild.
I'll save this for later, baby. But right now, I got a device I don't understand, a high school degree I barely earned, and no sense of personal limits. I'm off to create Nirvana!
Oh, thanks, Homer.
Thank you, kind sir.
Chocolate syrup? A fireman's dream!
Pour me a frosty mug of sugar, Mo. Making a town perfect is thirsty work.
Yeah, Homer, I swore I'd rip off my own head before ever saying this, but on the house, I love that now my turlet has a never-ending supply of toilet paper.
I got lots of great ideas. You ever look up at the sky and think, if the moon is made of cheese, why can't it be melted on giant nachos?
Don't get too showy, pal. Some out-of-town dungballs have been looking for you. They say that shardamajig is dangerous.
Ah, don't let them know I'm here.
Yeah, don't worry. I kept them busy with one of your little, improvements.
Hey, these snacks you gave us are moving.
Yeah, they're self-feeding pretzels, huh? Open your mouth, they walk right in.
Jump away!